She says good morning, good morning. She danced the whole night through, good morning. Hello, baby. Do you gorgeous? How are you? Oh my goodness, she shake it up, boy. Look, see? I no lie, she shake it. Oh my goodness. Alright, together. Well, my dear. Yes, I know. We're gonna be talking about those things right there. Why? Because I figured people would get a kick out of it. Or something. Go get your ball. Alrighty. So, yeah, I don't know how to maneuver this thing. Hello. So, good morning, good morning. Luckily this morning I got my happy mug, because I got my extra coffee. It'd be good. Thank you, Irene. Uh, Homegirl from work. Yay. Alright, so, I totally, went to the Dollar Tree, first time ever really, to see if I could find, some screwy thingies so I could put something up against the wall. Because my near and dear, I don't know if you can see me, my near and dear, 99 did not have these things that I needed, which, hurt my heart, but whatever. Alright, pardon me, one moment. Is she ready? Woman, does she care? You want it? Ready? Get shit. Go! Oh my goodness, there she be. Look at her go, look at her go. Oh my goodness, there she be, she shaking it, she shaking the butt. Oh my goodness. Mírala, que chiquiada. Oh man. Yeah, she wins. Alright, good job. Come here. Yes, you little girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The puppy much eyes. Anywho. So, I went to the Dollar Tree thing and could not find it there either. Cashier dude didn't even know what I was talking about. Um, so basically, I needed one of those things that grip into the wall, so that when I put the screw in there, like it'll grab hold a little bit stronger. Yeah, I should have just gone to Home Depot. Too far. Anywho, but I did find the candle aisle, and that was pretty gnarly because I usually get my stuff from Target, but Target's prices are a little up there for me. I mean, a girl's on a budget. Give me a moment. Pardon. Anywho, I think I scored. So, first one that I did try last night is called Enchanted Night. It smells heavenly. Kinda vanilla-y. Um, totally knocked out with that last night. So, yay. And then, who says you can't buy yourself a little happy? Found it. This guy I'm gonna spark up as soon as I get up in there, cause it's very fruity. A lot of my girls can't stand the fruitiness. Liz, I mean. But it's a number 3 fruit. Happiness. So, yeah, that I'm excited for. The last one, which honestly I just got because it looks dope. Mermaid Dreams. It has a mermaid on it. This one I sparked up as soon as I got home yesterday, and it smells like not a damn thing. But hey, it's got a little Ariel. So yeah, that's what's going on there. So I hope your day is going well. Hope you got your morning coffee, and yeah, talk to y'all later. Bye.